as my distinguished speaker, the youngest speaker for Kashmir Literature Festival, who is as young as she is, or maybe a little older and still thinking what growing up really means. So, ladies and gentlemen, may I please take a moment to introduce Miss Adya Das. Adya Das is 13 years old. She's barely 13 years old and she is an author of 2 books. And somebody who has taught me that you don't have to be too old, you don't have to be too serious, and you don't have to be grown up to be an author. And thank you so much, Adya, for being my inspiration, because last time around when I saw you speak, and I thought when this young girl can write it, I should write it as well. Okay, so we'll keep it fun and we'll keep it simple, Adya. So Adya, I want to know from you that how did you think that, hey, I can be a writer? And then what gave you the courage to actually be a writer?
Actually realized that I would write it came to me naturally. Every time I got a story idea, I would write it something like that.
Wow. So you've already declared your parents as your role models, and I know, I happened to read your book where you said that your father is your role model, right? My father is my role model as well. So you are a daddy's girl, is it? Yes? Oh, she's saying I'm both. I'm mommy's girl as well as daddy's girl. So Adya, I want to know from you that when you say that your father is your role model, how does your father inspire you both as a person and also as a young writer? How does he inspire you?
My father is a very brave and practical, and I try to inculcate his determination and all of leadership I am today and will be the future has become.
Wow. Adya, I also, I love the title of your book. It says, Almost Grown, Still Wandering. I would like to understand, Adya, you're just 13. So I just want to know, what does growing up mean to you? And then my second question would be that, what is that you're still wandering?
Growing up old enough to know being an adult actually is like this is poem that I write. Childhood
And Adya, I've already shared this with our wonderful audience that you are an author of 2 books. I want to understand, last year also you had your book launch at Kashmir Literature Festival and you were our youngest speaker last time also. I want to understand, Adya, how is this book different from your previous book?
My previous book was a production of short fantasy stories, whereas this one was a collection of poems. And I published this book after it was also marks a very special milestone.
And Adya, I want to understand, since you said your mom and your dad, whatever you become in life, they will have a great role to play. You owe it to them. I want to understand from you, do you think that parents, your mother and your father, they have a great role in making you who you are, or you just happen to choose your own destiny? And my last question to you, Adya, will be, if there would be an 8, 9, 10-year-old child Or even a person like myself, I also consider myself a child. I'll consider myself a child at 40 also. So if there would be somebody walking to you and taking tips about writing, that how do we write? Because I shared it that most of us, we must have tried writing 1-2 pages and then we aren't able to complete it. So if there would be somebody walking up to you and saying that, hey Adya, I want to write, can you please give me some tips? What tips would you have for that person who is aspiring to be a writer?
I would tell them that writing is not about advanced vocabulary or professionalism. It's about creativity. As long as you know that you're good at writing and you have a good idea, you can write anything. So you don't have to write to impress anyone, you just have to write in such a way that you enjoy this journey.
Then you make it memorable. So I think what we want to say is that we should pursue our passion. We should not do it because somebody else is doing it. We should do it because we want to do it for ourselves.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Adya, for being in this panel with me. Out of all the speakers that you could have chosen, I am honored to be in this panel with you. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for having us, ladies and gentlemen. I wish you a great day.